Hi there, this is Andy from Skilz4umedia, bringing the latest reviews, tutorials and creative experience online. And today I'm going to be teaching you some new origami skills. So make sure you like the video, share the content and subscribe to our channel. Let's give it a go. Why hello everybody and welcome back, and today we're going to be making an origami crow. How cool is that? So first of all, we're going to start with our usual square piece of paper. So this piece of paper is around about 20 centimeters by 20 centimeters, which I've cut out a piece of A4 paper. So first of all, I'm going to make the origami bird shape. I'm going to turn the piece of paper over, folding it in half and crease along the edge. From here, I'm going to put my finger in the middle like so, bringing this point down to the bottom, like so. And then crease along the edge. I'm going to do the same thing with the other side, bringing this point here down to here. Fold it over the top. Nice firm crease along the edge. Okay, so from here I just open it up. So here we got our nice triangle, and we're going to bring this to the inside. So what I'm doing here is I'm pinching the top with finger and thumb, pushing in, folding on the inside like so. So our shape hopefully looks like this so far. Good? Excellent. On the same side, we're going to bring this side over the top, pushing on the inside, tucking in, and making a firm crease just along the edge. Are we doing good so far? Brilliant job. Okay, so hopefully our shape looks like this. Good stuff. Okay, so from here, the part that opens out, we're going to have it facing down. So to make the bird shape, I'm going to fold this into the middle, like so, pushing down gently. Same thing with the other side, making a kite shape, and then continue on the other side and do exactly the same thing. Hopefully your creases are a little bit better than mine on this one. Folding to the middle. Same thing with the other side. From there, I'm just going to open that out, like so, and I'm just going to fold in towards the middle, like so, and then open back up. Okay, so to make that bird shape, I take this part here, I open it out, like so, and I'm just pushing these side bits in to form a point. Everybody doing good so far? Excellent job. Making firm creases, manipulating the paper, and hopefully make a point at the top, like so. Do the same thing with the other side, just need to tighten that up. Making a point at the top. So that's one side done. So hopefully your shape looks like that. Great stuff. Turning it over. I do the same thing on this side, so I'm just going to fold it into the middle just to make it a little bit easier for myself. Opening it up, putting my thumb in the middle there, pushing the folds in towards the middle, making a point. Obviously, I'm sure you guys are doing this a little bit more smooth than I am here. Into the middle, sharp point. Great stuff. Okay, so from here, just going to open this out. I'm going to bring one side over to there, like so. So hopefully your shape should kind of look like this. I'm just going to press the folds in a little bit better so far. So you've got this top bit here, and you've got 3 bits on that side. So what I'm going to do from now, from here, I'm just going to fold it in. Great stuff. Now, we're going to do the legs first of all. Actually, I need to fold it back. Oh. I think we're there. Hopefully. Does that turn out right? Good stuff. Okay, so let's do the legs. Okay, so from here, I'm just going to fold it back on itself. Something's not quite right here, is there? Maybe it's like that. Perfect. After a lot of messing around with the paper, I'm just going to fold one of these down like so, and then do the same thing with the other side. So what I'm going to do from here, folding on the inside like so. So we've got 2 legs. Again, manipulating the paper. So it's kind of like looking crow shaped, right? Okay, so this will be the tail. So I'm going to do the beak here. Actually, let's do the feet, shall we? So with the feet here, I'm just going to turn those in like so, folding over, and do the same thing on the other side to hopefully match so the feet are symmetrical. Otherwise it might not stand up. Just open this out, folding it back on itself to make 1 foot. And again from this side, turning it over, folding it back on itself. So we've got the 2nd foot. And then we're just going to do the beak. So from here, hopefully your shape is looking a little bit like that. So from here, I just fold here, turning it over. So we've got the beak. Now from here, I turn it towards the middle and I just push the beak through, pressing down, making a nice firm hold. So there we go. There is our crow. Obviously our crow will look even better if we put an eye on it. So I take one of these like googly eyes which you buy from any hobby craft or any art store and push it on. And there we go, guys. There we have a nice origami crow. Thank you very much for watching. Please feel free to subscribe. I hope you enjoyed the content. Have an awesome day.